I am Jennette Wrestler. I am a shipping and receiving lead for Kapco metal stamping. I am a mother of soon-to-be 2 little boys. When you walk in the doors at Kapco, it's clean, it's bright. It carries throughout the employees too, that people are focused and they're a little more energetic. We take pride in our own work. I help keep it calm on the floor. We've amped up production. We've added 4 brand new processes that will be starting. What's rewarding to me about touching all the different departments is that I'm not in my own little bubble, in my own little world. I'm definitely an extroverted person. You have to be able to get along with everybody. You have to be able to listen to people. So that's what I love most about Kapco, is the flexibility with their schedule, especially with my little guy that's growing in me and my little guy at home, and helping my coworkers still succeed within the plant. Kapco's given me the opportunity, and I wouldn't be where I'm at right now without Kapco. I have 2 doctor appointments a week. It's a good feeling knowing how flexible they are. I've been able to do my life the way I want and still focus on my family and my new house, and still being positive about coming to work and then carrying that positivity home. I love my job, I love my family, I love my house. It's nice to know that you'll always have a job at Kapco. It's nice to know you're appreciated.